Beautiful morning in Mount Shasta just after Memorial Day. Slow but sure.
I am very happy to be out here. I will love it when I can just walk normally, but just getting out here, enjoying this scenery, that is a very good feeling. Important to your recovery.
Go ahead.
It's Wednesday. It's been about 3.5 weeks. It'll be 4 weeks Friday. And this is the first time I've tried walking on a trail like this using poles. And I guess she wants to get a view of me doing it. I've actually gone a little over 1/10 of a mile so far. It's challenging. But the trail's a little bit off camber. I had to come down a slope a little ways. Why don't you show the camera that way? That's kind of the slope that I had to come down. I made it, but I had to go very, very slow. So like I say, not quite 4 weeks. And for the people who put these videos up saying that, well, gee, look what I could do after 1 week, I say, bah humbug to that. I'm doing the best I can. And I think I'm probably more typical. Of course, this is a knee revision. It's not the first time the knee's been replaced, so it's a little more major surgery. Anyway, I'll go a little further so she can see how I'm getting along. It's Wednesday afternoon now, same day as when I did those short little video clips. I thought I would add just a little bit about how other things are going. I'm sleeping a little bit better, not great. I had been sleeping out on my recliner for 2 weeks, and a couple days ago I started sleeping in the bed again. Still not sleeping great, but it's kind of nice to be back in a bedroom. The knee is getting stronger. It's still sore. Here I am at a little over 3.5 weeks, and I'm at about 105 degrees bend on my knee. I need to get up to 120, and you got to do it in the first 6 weeks. So I've only got a little over 2 more weeks to try to get there. The extension, I'm working on the extension on the knee also, but this is not easy stuff to do, and that's kind of where I am at the moment. Oh, I should add that I actually feel almost okay in the mornings. Not great. The videos you saw, that was in the morning, and that's about as good as I feel. Come afternoon, the knee really gets much more painful, and so I'm not moving around quite as much in the afternoons. And again, by nighttime, more sore yet. I'm not doing drugs or anything, so I am managing to sleep, but I have to keep a pillow under the knee to kind of elevate it. I've had a few times where I've tried to sleep on my side, but it just really gets the knee to throbbing. For the most part, I have to sleep on my back with my leg up on a pillow, and I'm getting so tired of that. But it is improving, so there we are for right now.